Monitoring and observability is not the same, which is completely different, and you should need to know about what are all those things. There are the 10 core differences that you should need to know about it. Let's get into it. Well, if we start with the differences between the monitoring versus observability, it's all about the collection versus inference, and it talks about the reactive versus proactive. When it looks for the data source, it talks about more on predefined versus exploratory. When it looks for the purpose, it's all about the functionality versus understanding. When it looks for the scope, it's all about the limited versus the comprehensive. When it looks for the tools, it looks at the basic tools, and it looks for an advanced in the observability. And questions, it's all about the status. And when it comes for the observability, it's all about the cost. And when you look at the issue, it's all about the detection versus the diagnosis. When it looks at the customization, it's all about the static versus dynamic. And when we look at the complexity, it's all about the simple versus distributed.